Welcome to Section 1 of IBM's Cloud Developer Certification course, Hosting Your Cloud Applications. In this section, we'll be looking at what a cloud actually is and describing how IBM's technology layers into the cloud. This term, cloud, does not just describe technology, but is also used to describe a way to model business offerings. In this section, we will describe cloud service models such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, as well as look at how IBM's cloud offerings are related to these three service models. Then we will introduce the different capabilities of IBM's platform as a service, Bluemix, and give developers information so that they can make the best decisions on where to host their applications in the cloud. When evaluating cloud service models, it is important to understand how timing plays a role in your decision about where in the cloud an application should be developed and where it should go to production. The app revolution has shown us that time to value is critical if your apps are to keep up with new expectations from your customers and new development from your competition. In the next few charts, we will take a closer look at these cloud service models. Core IT represents everything a customer owns and manages inside their data center. This is your traditional on-premise IT, and it is a critical and necessary part of enterprise computing. However, the app revolution has accelerated the software development lifecycle, and core IT on its own cannot facilitate our needs. Some benefits of core IT are that it is as stable and customizable as you want and are willing to pay for. Some applications require the fine-tuning that core IT enables, such as real-time transaction processing. Core IT represents most of the IT investment companies have already made and hosts things like customer data, inventory, and analytics, just to name a few. The time commitment for new applications in traditional core IT is typically weeks. This is the time it takes to set up an environment and deploy an initial application. The customer manages the entire technology stack on their own, and dedicated staffing is necessary to maintain both the hardware and the software. Thus, core IT does not provide a good environment that is conducive to the experimental nature of development in the app revolution. Infrastructure as a service was the cloud's initial answer to the app revolution. The need for faster deployments, faster environment setup, and more rapid time to delivery is provided by abstracting the hardware infrastructure from the customer. SoftLayer is IBM's worldwide infrastructure as a service offering. With infrastructure as a service, the customer manages a resource pool and can perform self-service provisioning, measure service consumption, and enable rapid elasticity. Operating system virtualization by itself is not enough to accomplish infrastructure as a service characteristics. Once all infrastructure resources are virtualized and managed as a set of capacity services, the data center can be treated as a true software-defined environment. Some infrastructure as a service benefits are that the networking, storage, server, and virtualization is managed by a service provider. This is the most customizable cloud offering and is a good fit for solutions that need to customize the operating system, middleware, and runtime. The time commitment for infrastructure as a service is normally at least a few days. The customer must still set up and manage the operating system, middleware, and the runtime. Maintenance and upgrades are also handled by the customer and must be taken into consideration as well. SoftLayer is IBM's infrastructure as a service offering. SoftLayer provides a highly flexible architecture and a single platform for public cloud servers, private clouds, and bare metal servers. This is a technology-neutral platform from which one can utilize the most popular hypervisors and open technology such as OpenStack in the cloud. There is support for a broad range of operating systems, and the user is enabled by a unified systems management interface and a very large API with over 2,200 interfaces for orchestration. Platform as a service is rapidly becoming the standard way to develop new applications in the cloud. The concept of innovative solutions created from composable services that can be recombined to create new capabilities is a key element of Platform as a Service. Composable environments can contain cloud services which bring together operational, development, application, database, and other third-party services. Benefits of Platform as a Service are that one can set up an environment and deploy apps more quickly than in any other cloud service model. A service provider manages the infrastructure and the platform, meaning that the customer needs to only bring their runtime code and their data to the platform. Normally, it takes just minutes to perform an initial deployment here and is completely driven by the developer. Also, maintenance and upgrades of the platform and infrastructure are handled by the service provider. Bluemix is IBM's Platform as a Service and is enabled by IBM Software. It's an open standard, cloud-based platform for building, managing, and running applications of all types. Bluemix exposes a full suite of cloud services in one location. Services such as API management and integration, DevOps, Internet of Things, cloud integration, big data and analytics, security, and Watson enhance the developer experience and provide enterprise-class capability that might be otherwise unattainable. Bluemix can help you build applications that are smarter and get to market faster. We will be exploring Bluemix capabilities in detail later in this section. Software as a Service is a place where software providers share IT resources such as application software and services to customers and enable self-service, rapid elasticity, and pay-per-use pricing. While most companies see software as a service as a model to address specific needs, IBM delivers a broad portfolio of software as a service solutions around big data and analytics, IT operations, business processes, smarter commerce, smarter cities, smarter workforce, and social business that can be deployed as part of a deeper business strategy to transform every aspect of an organization. The IBM Cloud Software as a Service portfolio consists of 5 major categories with many unique applications, each designed to address unique business processes, industries, and functions. Business Process as a Service provides tools to manage specific industry solutions that streamline efficiencies, unify business processes, and enhance customer experience. IBM Cloud for Smarter Commerce leverages the power of the cloud to drive more meaningful interactions with customers and suppliers across every facet of the value chain. IBM Cloud for Smarter Cities provides flexible, cost-effective software as a service solutions that grow with a city's demands and delivers data needed to efficiently manage resources and make informed, proactive decisions. IBM Cloud for Social Business increases innovation and accelerates decision-making by unifying human capital to build high-functioning communities. And IBM Cloud for Smarter Analytics facilitates better decisions, increased efficiency, and faster innovation across the enterprise by delivering the right data to the right people more effectively and economically than ever. With a robust cloud portfolio and proven track record in the industry, IBM is committed to delivering an innovative software as a service experience that combines the agility, compatibility, and cost efficiency needed for every organization's success now and into the future. IBM Cloud Marketplace is a customer-facing cloud services store where service providers like IBM or IBM business partners can publish their cloud services. And service consumers, also called clients, can purchase these services. IBM's Cloud Marketplace contains a variety of software as a service products that can be up and running within minutes of ordering. IBM is working with partners to create API-based services, which can then be used by developers when creating new applications. IBM is looking for cloud services that simplify, optimize, and accelerate the cloud experience. While timing is critical, the systems and data you use today cannot be forgotten. That is why Bluemix enables one to simply and securely connect to core IT resources and other clouds. Hybrid cloud adoption, where public and private clouds work together with core IT investments, is critical to success given the app revolution and the expectations and increased competition it has generated. Hybrid cloud represents the new IT.